today I want to share with you this firewood holder, but first I want to give a shout out to the brand who sent it to me and sponsored this video in exchange for sharing my thoughts with you. So follow along as I put this together and show you all about it. Here is a close-up of all the parts, including the screws. First, I'm going to start out by putting the legs together. This is also the beginning of the sides. This firewood stand also comes with a handy tool. And once I have finger tightened the screws, then I can use the tool to get it as tight as possible. Now it's time to put the base together. I start by attaching one set of the legs, and I use the tool to tighten it all the way. And the other set of legs. Once I've done that, it's time to attach the rest of the sides. Once I have the sides in place, it's time to screw in the second layer. This can get a little tricky, but it comes together and helps hold it together very well. Now it's time to add the feet. They just screw in very easy. And you're all done putting it together. Now it's time to set it up and add the logs. And sweep any little wood chips that may have fallen. So as you can see, it was actually pretty easy put together. I know this video is sped up, but it only took me about 10 or 15 minutes to put this together. It really was easy. I didn't have to use any power tools. In fact, it came with a little hexagon screwdriver, if you will. It went together very well. None of it was like super hard or just like any kind of hurdles I had to jump through. It all just went together super easy. The instructions were very easy and to the point. I do have a recommendation. If you're gonna have this inside, I recommend getting some sort of rug to put down just to help keep it nice and clean. I have 10 logs here. I just grabbed 10 and was like, I don't know if this is gonna be enough or if this is gonna be too much. I would say you could probably put, depending on the size of the logs, because I know I could, if I really wanted to, I could squeeze some more down here. You could put 15 to maybe 20 logs total on here, obviously depending on the size. But overall, I think this is a perfect firewood holder, like especially if you're gonna have it indoor. It doesn't take up a lot of room. It is skinny. So if you were to ask my short, sweet opinion of this firewood holder, I would definitely say 10 out of 10 recommend.